I didn't think staying silent for a few hours would be difficult. It sounded simple, almost peaceful. No talking, no conversations, just quiet. But after a while, something started to feel different. Not outside, inside. It wasn't just silence. It felt like something was missing, or maybe something was being revealed. So I decided to try something unusual. For one entire morning, I wouldn't speak. No messages, no voice notes, no casual words. Just silence. At first, it felt like a small experiment, something light, something calm. But a small part of me wondered, what happens when you remove something so natural that you barely notice it's there? I didn't have an answer, but I was curious enough to try. So the morning began, and with it, the silence. At the beginning, it actually felt nice. The world seemed quieter, slower. There was no pressure to respond. No need to fill the space with words. Just presence. I made my coffee, sat by the window, watched the light slowly entering the room. Everything felt softer. For a moment, I thought, maybe this is easier than I expected. Maybe silence is just peaceful. But then something subtle started to change. Not suddenly, not loudly, just a small shift. I noticed how often I almost spoke without even thinking. A small comment, a reaction, a simple, okay. And each time, I stopped myself. At first, it felt controlled, intentional. But after a few minutes, it started to feel unnatural, like interrupting something automatic. And that's when I realized talking isn't just communication. It's a habit. The silence slowly became heavier. Not in the room, but in me. I started noticing small things. How I wanted to react to my own thoughts. How I almost whispered words, even when I was alone. It felt strange. Why did I feel the need to speak when no one was there to hear me? That question stayed. And the more I noticed it, the more uncomfortable it became. My mind didn't stay quiet, not even close. It kept moving, commenting, reacting. And without words, everything stayed inside, unreleased. I walked around the room, tried to distract myself, but the silence followed. It wasn't peaceful anymore. It felt full of thoughts that had nowhere to go. And for a moment, I almost gave up. Just one word wouldn't hurt. Just a small break. But I didn't. I stayed. And that's when it became harder. That's when I understood something. Silence doesn't remove noise, it exposes it. Without speaking, there was no escape. No way to soften thoughts, no way to organize them out loud. Everything stayed inside. And it got louder. I started replaying conversations, imagining things I would say, things I should have said, even things that didn't matter anymore. And still, my mind kept going. Overwhelmed. It felt overwhelming. Not because something was wrong, but because nothing was interrupting it. I realized how often I use words to regulate what I feel, to process, to release. And without that, everything stayed. For a moment, I felt trapped inside my own thoughts. And that silence, that felt calm before, now felt intense, almost too much. But instead of escaping, I stayed again. Not because it was easy, but because I wanted to understand it. After some time, something began to shift. Not suddenly, slowly, almost unnoticeable. The thoughts didn't disappear, but they changed. They became quieter, less urgent, like they didn't need to be solved immediately. My breathing slowed down, my body relaxed, and the silence felt different again. Not heavy, not overwhelming, just present. I noticed small things, the sound of movement, the light changing, the stillness of the room. And for the first time that morning, I wasn't trying to respond to my thoughts. I was just observing them, letting them pass, without reacting, without turning them into words. And that felt new. When I finally allowed myself to speak again, something felt different. Not dramatically, but subtly, like I didn't need to rush into words. Like silence wasn't something to fill, but something to experience. And I realized something simple. Maybe we don't speak just to communicate. Maybe we speak to avoid staying too long with ourselves, to soften what we feel, to escape what is uncomfortable. But when we remove that, even for a little while, we start to notice things, not outside, but inside. And maybe that's the real value of silence, not because it's peaceful, but because it shows us how much noise we carry without noticing. So maybe you don't need a whole morning, maybe just a few minutes. No talking, no distractions, just you and everything that comes with it.